let's get it. Nigga talk tough, man. Alright. Cool, bitch. Now we rock. Little boy, bitch. Yeah. Okay, man. That's it, man. Popping bottles, I ain't making nobody drop. And we gon' hit these wallows, make that shit pop. And I'm about to get it, I make your crib rock. And I'ma light you on fire just like Chris Box. Tall now, these niggas ain't got nothing on me. And I'ma rip it hard, hit your back, bitch, homie. And I ain't give a fuck, cause I got that luck. And I'ma hit you scared, bitch, nigga want it up. But nah, you fairly impaired, taking it back cause I'm scared, taking that shit cause I wear everything that you wish you had, wish you would cat, cause I was glad and I am the cat that will bring everything back. I'm getting, taking this to that same game cause I know I rock this, I had this same name since college, take it to bad bitches, know that I'ma get it cause I never got my riches, I'ma pull up, let's get it. Alright, you know how we rock, bitch. Alright. Niggas talk shit, hit them with a tech. Call me 5'5", and them niggas get clipped. Get a fucking clip. Bitches on my dick. If they fuck shit, man down and that's a clip. I ain't stacking hard. Make a movie part, fuck with me, I take it like Volcano, Miss Scott. Bitch, I'm in this shit. Make it cozy, Kobe, him, bitch. Alright, we got you right over. Yo.